Good hula dancing. Oh, that was pretty. Remember, tell the story with your hands. Jackie, can you dance? He says, I am, Mom. Oh, there are those pretty hands. I don't remember them doing all that jumping when we were in Maui. Ooh, pretty. Can you shake your hips so your skirt shakes? Like this? There you go. Good job. It's another Saturday morning. Ooh, good shaking. Can you give me a bow real quick? Very good.